Benefits of saffron. Welcome to an enlightening journey through the world of saffron, a golden spice with a wealth of benefits. Often considered a luxury, saffron is more than just a culinary delight. Meet saffron, a small but mighty spice. It's derived from the flower of Crocus sativus, often lending a rich golden hue to dishes. But did you know it's a powerhouse of health benefits? Firstly, saffron can lift your mood. Known for its antidepressant properties, saffron helps combat depression, anxiety, and stress. It's like a little package of sunshine for your mental health. Secondly, it aids in achieving a radiant, glowing skin. Saffron's antioxidant properties can fight free radicals, helping you maintain youthful, healthy skin. It's like a natural antidote to aging. Another benefit? Improved vision. Saffron contains natural carotenoids that can protect your eyes from oxidative damage. It's like a secret weapon for your eye health. Moreover, saffron promotes heart health. Rich in potassium, saffron helps in controlling heart rate and protects against heart diseases. A pinch of saffron is a step towards a healthier heart. Lastly, saffron enhances brain health. It's packed with antioxidants that help improve memory and learning. It's your brain's best friend, enhancing cognitive function one thread at a time. To conclude, saffron is a golden thread of health woven into our lives. A tiny pinch can create a big impact. So, next time you see saffron, remember, it's not just a spice, it's a lifestyle choice for better health.